Introducing the 2012 Ram 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. The following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.